Very good morning, children. This is Shubhal sir speaking. Children, in the previous video, we had a discussion on exercise 7.1 and we understood a very important portions of this chapter. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about exercise 7.2 and we'll be learning some different questions on dealing with number lines or with fractional values. So the very first question of this exercise is: draw number lines and locate these points on them. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, next is 3 by 4, and last one is 4 by 4. Children, let us have a look. Let us try out these questions on number line. Okay, so children, as we all know that like every proper fraction in the world comes between 0 and 1. Any proper fraction in the world comes between 0 and 1. Okay, so let me draw the number line first. This is the number line starting from 0. Here is 1, this is 2. I don't need much as the numbers are only prime numbers only. I'm sorry, proper fraction only. So the first one is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means it comes between 0 and 1. So denominator is 2, so make 2 equal parts. Denominator to be written or to be expressed on number line, making that number of equal parts. So here as we all can see that the denominator is 2, so I made 2 equal parts between 0 and 1. So children, this part is only 1 by 2. I believe it's clear to everyone. Children, now the next questions 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 I could have done in the same number line only, but I want you to understand separately. So the number is 1 by 4, 2 by 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. All these numbers are prime number proper fractions. So I'll make 0, 1 and 2, not more than that. So I'll make 4 equal parts as the denominators are 4 in every fraction. So I'll make 4 equal parts. Children, I made 4 equal parts between 0 and 1. First part is 1 by 4. Second part is 2 by 4, and third part is 3 by 4. And finally, where 1 is standing, that is 4 by 4. I believe it's clear. It's 4 by 4 because if I reduce them, I'll be getting 1 only, because 4 by 4 results 1. Now the next question, number B. I want you to understand number B. It's really very simple. Number B is about expressing these proper fractions: 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. Children, no matters what is the fraction having the denominators, every proper fraction in the world comes between 0 and 1. So I'm gonna draw a line, number line. This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So children, the denominator is 8, so I'll make 8 equal parts. I made 8 equal parts. The first part is 1 by 8, second part is 2 by 8, third part is 3 by 8, and the second last one is 7 by 8. Okay, so children, this is how we have to deal with such kind of questions. Now third number is slightly different, as we can see that there is one improper fraction as well. So as your sir is there, need not to be worried. We'll just draw a number line. Okay, I'll just write 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So 2 by 5 matlab I'll just make 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. So the first one is 1 by 5, second one is 2 by 5, This is 3 by 5. I need 4 by 5 as well, so this is my 4 by 5, and 8 by 5. So means I'll just make more numbers. I'll just make 1 and 2 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. So this is 6 by 5, 7 by 5, and this one is 8 by 5. So I believe it's clear to everyone. This is how we can represent this number. Next numbers are like, expressing into mixed fraction. So the number is suppose 20 by 3, which is an improper fraction. 20 by 3, and we know that improper fractions can be converted into mixed fraction. Just go for a division. 3 6 are 18. So here I got remainder 2. So the process of expressing a number into, or a improper fraction into mixed fraction is 6 whole, remainder will be written up, and divisor will be written down. Answer is 6 2 by 3. I repeat, the remainder will be written up and the divisor will be written down. This is how we express the number. So children, I believe the questions which I have explained in the video is absolutely clear to you all. If no, then please let me know. Feel free to speak to me, and please try out these sums and submit in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.